we make sure that we find the great mangoes for our plating and make sure that the mangoes we bought are in good shape. Here, we go to the other store to bought some other ingredients. Here's some ingredients that we bought. First, my son graham crackers. Of course, we need crackers to make our graham. And second, our cream. We bought the all-purpose cream and the condensed milk to make the perfect texture and taste of our cream. Then we compute how much the money will cost us. Now, we are paying the ingredients we bought using the money that we contributed. Setting up and preparing up the ingredients are important too, because then we will know if the ingredients are already completed or there is something missing. So it is important that we check up our ingredients. The next thing we need to do is remove our accessories or our watches to prevent harmful bacteria that can contaminate the food. Next, tie up your hair to prevent hair from falling into the food you are preparing. Washing your hand is another way to prevent germs from spreading around the kitchen while handling food. And cutting the mangoes. But how will we cut the mangoes? First, we remove the outer layer of the mango. Cutting the thin slices of mangoes because you may cut yourself. After cutting the mangoes, we then open the condensed milk. We then opened the all-purpose cream and measured it. Then mix the condensed milk and the all-purpose cream together. After mixing the condensed milk and all-purpose cream, we then put it into the refrigerator. Now, we're going to put the graham crackers into the container. Arranging the crackers, we then put our cream as a second layer, then we put the mangoes as a third layer. Then we repeat the steps 3 times. We then put the finished batches of crumbled graham crackers. We are now proceeding into slicing. After slicing the graham, we are now proceeding into plating. As you can see, we are putting a cream into the graham. It adds an amazing dripping effect that makes our graham look so tasty and yummy. As for the toppings, we are now putting the crumbled graham crackers and a slice of mango, as well as the cracked graham crackers that we put on the top of the graham and added some graham crackers and cream for the plating. And now, here is our graham. Proceeding on our mukbang of our graham cake. Eating sweets and desserts are fun, especially when you're eating desserts and sweets with your friends.
Sarap. Kung natikman mo to, sobrang sarap.
Mango graham, cupcakes, and other sweets or desserts are fun and enjoyable to eat with friends because it has an ingredient that can trigger the release of the serotonin and dopamine in our brains.
Hello everyone, we are group 4.
Take 2.
Oh. Abbygale, what are you buying?
Tingnan ko muna si Shay kung paano siya gagayatin. Ay, hindi. Nasa iyo yung malaki na. Pakita ka natin yan.